Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the ah sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the short O sound. Can you make the ah sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth wide, like this. Then, make a sound in your throat. Try putting that together. Ready? Ah. Ah. Now let's practice a few words with the ah sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Otter. August. Cough. Straw. The ah sound can be spelled with the letter O as in otter, AU as in August, OU as in cough, or AW as in straw. Great job! Well done! Ellii.